And we back with another video, guys. Your boy Kayzano and I'm here with
Kayzy.
Alright, so guys, I think you already know what's up today, guys.
Yes, sir.
We're back with the Wadiwa Wepa Moyo reactions. This is the season 2. We missed the first 2 episodes. I'm sorry guys for that. I'm sorry for that.
Very sorry.
But we're all caught up right now, so we're now going to episode 3 right now.
Episode 3.
Episode 3. It's like episode 1 and 2. And we are to go
blues. Yeah.
We are going to run.
Natinda, yeah, man. What else? Then my no queen banu karunits and I don't know.
Yeah, Saka basically ndozvi. But then we are not sure that uchi. Saka
but I think Manta is really interested. What you do, man? But
because I'm gonna be the Mayusa.
Put a rope butter.
I was going to buy it. What are the butter? I don't know. I just said, because you put no butter, but
you go blues. I don't know what I said. I don't think I'm
Alright, so let's not waste your time, guys. Let's get into episode 3.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a long one, so I hope you guys enjoy. Get your book and let's get it, guys.
As expected, the hosts Brazil are favorites, with Argentina expected to give them a run for their money. It is indeed true that Championship Club.
Mira.
I think she's new.
What was that?
What my fresh things?
Coventry City, where Peter Lovo, Zimbabwean former captain, plied his trade and signed an MOU with our local football scouting networks.
Signing ceremony
right at this venue. Our board chairperson of our local football club held this move as he told players plying their trade overseas. Over to you at the desk.
But wait, Muno be boran goes gara.
I want to
rest.
I break. You know what I was saying? I'm
Because I don't want to phone him.
we like it for the money. We like it for the money. Uniform, school uniform.
Stephen.
You treat me like a lottery.
You make your bed, Baba. No, I'm not the one who asked for a divorce. You did. I don't understand. You were the one who asked for a divorce. You did. You were the one who asked for a divorce.
Started on the low. It was never easy in the streets, but the deals pushing out slow. Anything I ever wanted had to put it down.
Maninji mwanjiza kumdara ari kusiya nyama iyo. Kasi mainokuka.
They want a divorce kune nyama.
Mainokuka.
Aiwa, mawanika. Magets. Say such a joy. Meron sama ten baba. Come on, towers. Let's talk. Yeah, but she have blues. So man, blues. I don't want
Hello. Hi. Tawanda, right?
Abata poto ka. Aiwa. Iya ibu deh. Yuraka. Life ka unexpected ke bathina.
Kana rwatsa.
Akaiti.
Gaya shamaru.
Abona ngosonto bogeza la. Uchiruwa poto. Satsarene zuru.
Eze kana bota redo eze.
Yeah, Tawan.
Nice to meet you. I'm Irene.
Irene?
Sorry, Tokangano, I don't know why I was expecting you to know who I am. We spoke on the phone in Blawayo during the season.
Oh yeah, I remember. Do you Wepa Kayzano?
Yeah.
Alright, come in. So mama jamzima child.
Cousin, do you want to try that?
Sometimes, but you don't have quiz, but most of the time system shamundi and clean. In those kind of plates. Oh, that one is my plate.
You know, I will expose us. I talk about minus,
that's it.
Later, my supporter in Chelsea.
In Chelsea. Mapija, sorry, look at my man.
Why?
Kukontrol is really serious.
Continue now.
Really? Why?
Kids love me, and I love them, so they're easy.
Easy?
Well, not easy, but when wakuruka, you never know what they're thinking, and then kids, they just say what they mean.
Easy.
Yes. Sorry guys.
I get used to it, Sha. My sister is 7, and I'm not 6, and yet stamp.
So that
I'm not sure. It's not every day that you write a story about a Division 1 football player.
Oh, okay. Then I'm gonna drop a quick.
Oh, okay. You have fans, hey?
It's this place. You wanna watch me? Just love you.
I don't think I actually wanted to play. Then go to fight near boys because I just don't like hype.
So what's next?
So what do you usually do during off season?
I don't know. It's my first time off season.
So how did you come from here to scoring the Ingwe Cup final?
Biko, my manager.
You have a manager?
I want to make you believe. That's Biko for me.
Does he play?
I don't think I would make it, but
I think you could. I'm serious. You're so gifted. The way you attack the gap and create space for my defend.
No Borant.
Yeah, Darang was a huge Dynamos fan. I remember in grade 7 for holiday, he took me to a friendly match. Dynamos versus Blawayo Pirates. It didn't premiere. And they had Lloyd Ndlovu, the number 7 winger. Oh, he was so good. I became a Pirates fan since then. The Spaniards are in control. They haven't lost a game since 8 o'clock.
What does that say?
Pulo.
Oh my gosh. I have class Malayan.
Too bad.
Why? Pune.
Tomorrow bora Zimex.
Mutong.
No, with our own. If you tell me, I will show you.
Okay, I say I need food because Dalton's went up.
Asizve interviews.
Wambona achinyora pasi anything. Manta.
Small things. Small. But I
need to address something, guys.
Lunch no go that south so.
That's what it's dog.
Do you want to take it?
Chimera do pizza.
This better be good. Nima wako manje.
That's what I'm doing.
China is everywhere, sir.
China no singis.
Okay.
I don't visa. I don't visa. I don't know why. Yeah, we are done. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, DJ, that's a DJ. DJ, and Shashi.
Oh, yeah, levels.
I don't know level. Levels. I got about you 2 days.
One day, I said,
levels.
So interview, yes, what is it?
Interview, not to it. About about data.
What about it? Such a time.
Okay.
Yeah, mom.
So, kundi toy.
Kundi tisa.
You know, umbrella makes things obvious.
I see, it shouldn't be obvious.
Yes, Trendy, it shouldn't be obvious.
Tuende. Mutake But guys, because you only Taura. Say it. But mom people had makurimangan.
What page?
I don't know.
Shindo's I think asuma.
What am I school?
Eh?
What am I school?
You mean pa Wadiwa Wepa Moyo?
Eh,
always school.
Come face I. Because you know,
okay.
That's one episode 1.
Okay, okay.
No can't take a uniform.
Yes. But that room I need visa no. You know.
Ina skubhalaza please.
Chiro aba boss uyakuru.
I want to do upper 6.
I don't like Christmas akawanda. How do you unola debile? What does upper 6? So what about Mbappe?
Unto that 18.
I drop a choro.
Guys. Someone needs to explain this to me. Someone needs to. It is not sitting well with me.
It's not fair.
I do not like what the message this is portraying. It's not sitting well with me.
Also, this is.
I'm going to say chichiti.
Buzukuru apa bazunguru mabeba.
Wana manta arunzani makuri mangana. Autamba division 1. Ani makuri mangana achitamba. Mundu atane 18 autamba division 1. Right. Anti. Amen. That is not sitting well. Let's go.
It was underground, a private chat.
When people talk in Ninika and send their ready to answer
Saga Zinex.
So it's clear that I'm missing class.
It's up to you. You don't know about it.
Okay.
Interview cancelled.
Koro cancelled. Zimex. Yes. Vata awa yes. Takubuza kuti kalafu kai karupedza. Haropedza wasibodzi zvatotaura.
Ndakuzwa kuti asakaramana ngeke kailoko.
Hasn't married.
Chico, unoziva kuti
Sabda kati murukubunza fish.
amusha kutakulanda.
Katombo mbomvera. Abasata apindira mu fish. Abana
Ndinoga fish.
Ndopa fish ibika zanzi yako sati yaburuka ne supply fish. Baba.
Mandawa.
Hai. Anza beka.
Don't get the time of Manchester United.
Old Trafford. Si Alex Wanyanga. Manta wabagana. Lemon. Watu watiwe. Manta wazopinda England man. Leo tutenga majaketi kama masoksa ya ego. But ubuo manje.
Serious.
Asha, kutufura keke una Trafford keke.
Akataura ine zita.
Ndora Trafalgar. Kakaptora nestriti.
Aiwa but kana manager yakutaura.
Aiwa ngangomuve wena.
Alef. Ndoitoripo.
Kaupgrade ka.
Angobora.
Isu true friend us.
So let me live my last in your arms. So let me taste my last in your arms. So let me feel my last in your arms. So let me breathe my last in your arms.
Saka zvauyu zvatodhakwa kapesina.
Trafalgar. Zvavhara. Handi Trafalgar akada mota.
Yeah, but zviri right. Zviri akatambisa muvezi ino.
Atambisa muvezi. Saka muvezi nga-upgrade.
Muvezi nga-upgrade. Yeah.
Yes sir.
Yeah. Aiwa, but uchaona next episode bachazoziva. Handiri noko achazoudza next tomboona kuti chizvoiti. But guys, comment down below what you think of this episode.
Yeah.
This is a twist I didn't see coming. Nani funga kuti vachangoita back and forth yavakaita last season.
Anti nokada mota sha. Manje kadzoka kuna X.
Uyu achatenga mota yavo.
Apa chimhanya ke ni uptown.
Mbene. Yes, I was ikoko. I will like it. Alright guys, so I think that's the end of this video guys. Wadiwa Wepa Moyo season 2 episode 3. I hope you like it. Comment down below what you think of the episode. And yeah, we'll see you in the next episode guys. It's your boy Kayzano and I'm here with
Casey.
Yes sir.